Hey YouTube, OnePlus is planning to announce their next generation of flagship level OnePlus 9 series on March 23, which is going to be the official launch date, which they have already confirmed on their Twitter account. Not only the launch date has been confirmed, but OnePlus also has confirmed some key spec sheet of their OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro devices. In the leaks, we are hearing that there are going to be three devices. One is going to be the budget level OnePlus 9 series devices, but honestly, I think that there is not going to be any chances of that particular device, because if you look at those render images that OnePlus officially shared, they haven't given us any detail about that particular budget level device. But you never know, maybe we can see that particular device on the event as well. Talking about the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro devices, they are going to be the main highlights of their launch event. And if we look at the render images, you will probably notice that there is going to be some changes that has been arrived this year from OnePlus, and there is going to be some major differences on the back camera sensor. The OnePlus 9 Pro devices is expected to be coming with a quad camera setup on the back side, and the camera positioning I honestly think is looking a little bit weird side. But anyhow, this is the design we have right now for the OnePlus devices, but this is going to be an interesting choice of the camera bump which OnePlus has arrived. One of the interesting things which we have seen on the camera bump on the backside is the partnership of OnePlus with the Hasplate. Now we are going to see the Hasplate camera sensor inside the OnePlus devices, and honestly I am excited about that collaboration, and we have to wait and see what this collaboration will bring out to the table. Anyhow, there is going to be a 48 megapixel of a Sony IMX789 Hasplate primary sensor, a 50 megapixel IMX766 fixed focus camera sensor on the backside as well, and also we have 8 megapixel Omni and telephoto lens with 3.3 optical zoom and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. These camera sensors will provide a better quality of images. Particularly the 50 megapixel sensor is going to be an interesting choice, because it is going to provide a better quality of images if leaks are to be believed. The front of the device is pretty much similar to the OnePlus 8 devices. We are going to see a 6.7 inch of QHD plus 1440p resolution, and with that it is also going to be supported by 120 Hz of refresh rate and in-display fingerprint scanner, Gorilla Glass protection on the front as well. And although we don't know about which Gorilla Glass protection is going to be coming, and also we are going to see a splash resistance on the front of the device. Internally, it is obvious that we are going to see the Snapdragon latest and greatest chipset inside the OnePlus devices, and it is going to be Snapdragon 888 chipset, which will have a support for 5G. Also, it's going to be coming with an 8 gigs of LPDDR5 support and 256 gigs of base storage as well, that may not be expandable. The phone is likely to run Android 11 Oxygen OS with the custom skin on top, and phone will pack a 4500 mAh of battery and 65 watt of wide charging, which is an amazing speed of charging. Also, there is going to be an incredibly fast wireless charging support as well, and it is going to be 50 watt of wireless charging capability inside, which makes this device as OnePlus fastest wireless charging device up till now. There is going to be obviously support for USB Type-C for charging and data transfer, and we can expect that there is not going to be any 3.5mm headphone jack. The color options are going to be Astral Black, Morning Mist and Pine Green color option that already been confirmed by OnePlus itself on their Twitter account. So guys, finally the pricing is going to be a little bit different this time around. We can expect that the pricing is going to be a little bit on the higher side. Maybe we can see a $900 or an $850 price tag for the OnePlus 9 Pro devices, and still it is going to be a little bit on the higher side, because OnePlus is not going to be remaining the similar company which has been the flagship killer. It's actually moving towards the flagship level devices to compete with the Samsung Galaxy S series and the iPhone devices. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What are your opinion regarding the OnePlus 9 series, which is going to be launching on March 23, in the comment section below. And if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.